Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This video I will discuss about SMA connectors and converters that we can use to build 3G, 4G and radio antennas. SMA means sub-miniature version A. We can use male-to-male connector for connecting to female connectors. This one also a female to female SMA connector, but it little bit quality than previous one. This one is a SMA female connector that we can use for PCBs. It contains few pins, so we can solder it to PCB. This one is a SMA to BNC connector that we can use for the ham radio, such as radio related application. This one is SMA T connector that we can use for the split SMA connection. This one is a SMA 15 meter cable that we can use for extend the Wi-Fi signal or get 3G and 4G signal or else for the ham radio antennas. Hope you get an idea about SMA connectors and SMA cable. So in future videos I will explain how to practically use the SMA cables and SMA connectors in day-to-day life.